Hey everyone, this is Puneet here from exceljams.com, and today in this video I will share with you 5 simple mouse tips which you can use in Excel. So the first is to apply formatting from one place to another place multiple times, and for this we can use Format Painter. So first of all you need to do is select the range from where you want to copy the formatting and go to your Format Painter button and click twice. Now you can apply formatting on multiple places. The second thing you can do with your mouse is you can hide your ribbon using your mouse clicks. So all you have to do is double click on any tab to hide it, and if you want it back, just double click again. Yeah. Now in this data table I have applied a formula in cell C2 and I want to drag this formula up to the cell C8. So all I need to do is double click on this, drag down the formula on the entire range. Now in the fourth tip, it's pretty simple. If you want to rename your worksheet, instead of using normal option, you just need to double click on the tab. And the fifth tip is to edit any shape you have in your worksheet, just double click on it and you can enter the text. So friends, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.